If Photopea is running slowly, freezing, or taking too long to respond, don't worry. There are several simple ways to improve its performance. First, close any unnecessary browser tabs and applications running in the background. Having too many programs open can use a lot of your computer's memory and slow down Photopea. Next, refresh the Photopea page by pressing **F5* or *Ctrl+R**. If the lag continues, close your browser completely and reopen it before visiting *Photopea. Again. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Photopea performs best on updated versions of Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and other modern browsers. Updating your browser can fix bugs and improve speed. You should also enable ** hardware acceleration in your browser settings. This allows your computer's graphics card to help process images more efficiently, making Photopea smoother when editing large files. If you're working with very large images or PSD files containing many layers, try reducing the image size, merging unnecessary layers, or hiding layers you're not currently editing. This can significantly improve performance. Another useful tip is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to *privacy*, select *clear browsing data*, clear the cached files, then restart your browser. If you're using an older computer, try editing smaller projects or closing other memory-intensive software while using Photopea. Restarting your computer can also free up system resources and improve performance. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable, since Photopea is a web-based application and loads resources through your browser. And that's how you can fix Photopea lag and make it run faster.